Couldn't believe it at first. I thought it was a stator because of the markings on the side, but when I flipped it, got the mud off, you could see the head. So I sort of sussed that it was probably a Roman and got straight on, called Wayne down. The rest is history really. From that one, we quickly found a few more. So obviously then we realised that area was going to be pretty good.
Yeah, well when Steve called us down and we worked out that it was a denarius, we decided that this area would be favourable to check.
And once we realised it was a hoard, we actually notified the Flow, and the Flow's going to come on site to actually have a look while we look for some more. And potentially, if they find any more shallow, then maybe if necessary we'll get a digger in to actually go deeper to search in case there was a pot buried.
So, and sure enough, and not only probably 2 foot away from Steve's up came another 1, 2, 3, and then further up the bank, another half a dozen within that bank came up. So this was the area we wanted to concentrate on.
After we initially found the coins, we actually covered the area thoroughly. We couldn't find any more. They were beyond the normal depth of digging. It was very hard work with the roots and all the soil. So we now have a digger, and we're actually digging out the top surface, combing through it to look for more coins.
Go again, Steve. It's in there. There it is.
There it is.
Got one.
I want to know whether it's another Hostilius or something.
Oh, it's a Mark Antony, I think.
Is it?
Yeah.
I just don't believe it.
Is it a Mark Antony and Augusta?
Here you go, mate.
What were the other one was?
Point number 16.
What's that? There's going to be more here.
Yeah, well, so we're going to carry on. Ones and most of are BC, they're very early ones. This is the 16th one we've found so far.
Trouble is it won't flake. It's too wet. It's had a lot of diseased elms and things like that, so they cut it back for us and they said make the most of it while you can. So we thought we'd just come in and have a go, and I'm glad we did. Well, in the end we found 2 more. We found 2. I still believe there's more in there, to be quite honest. It's just so hard to find. The ground is so awkward. But yeah, happy with another 2. Takes us up to 17 coins. And see what Flo's got to say. Some of them I don't think we'll be getting back somehow.